welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be doing two looks with one of the cookies that are from Revolution. So if you are a subscriber and you watch my channel, you'll know that I've been testing out these new cookies from Revolution, and I did a video with the birthday cake cookie because it's my favourite, and this is like my next favourite, so I'm kind of like ranking them, and I'm going to do two looks with this palette, so I'm so excited for this. So this one is called the Triple Chocolate Cookie Palette, and oh my god, it's just gorgeous. Like, this colour is so sexy to me. This colour is just gorgeous, this colour. So I think I'm going to do like something with this, and then I'm going to do something a little bit more natural. So I'm going to go a little bit bold and then a little bit natural. Is this lighting too... is this lighting too much? Just turn it down a bit. Might be better. This mirror is just so bright. Okay, so first one I am going to dip into is I'm going to go straight in with this orangey taupey colour, and I'm literally going to pop that right... Where's my brush? I'm going to go in straight with this taupey colour, and I'm going to pop that right in the crease straight away, which is quite a bold colour, but this brush is a little bit too hard. I need something a bit softer. Let's try this. The formulas of these shadows are really good. They just blend nicely, like you don't have to work too hard. And as well as that, they're not buttery, but they're very soft. They're not, I can't really put a word to it, but I know what I mean. But yeah, they just blend very nicely. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've blended that in nicely. So I am going to go in with this gorgeous colour here, which is what I was saying to you. But first I'm going to deepen the outer corner up with this brown, this brownie colour. It is a little bit shimmery. I'll do some swatches for you. So I'm going to pop that just on the outer corner bit. Yes, I've got mascara on because I was actually filming, so I thought I'll just leave the mascara on because I don't want to take it all off because then you look like a hot mess. So I thought I'll try with some mascara because it's easier. So I'm going to apply that on the outer corner, which is quite nice because it's like a shimmer. I don't know if you can see very well. So I'm going to pack that on, and then I'm going to go in with that purple. So I'm going to use my finger because I find with shimmers that they're so much better with your finger. So I'm going to pop this right on my lid. And just work it up. I love this look. It's very sort of deep and grungy purple, but there's something about it. I really like it, and the shimmers are just like, everything is blended in really nicely, like really nicely. I love how these colours merge together. I think this is just a really nice look actually. I think I'll be doing this more often. I love that. I love it. We've got a little bit of fallout, but nothing major. So for me, them colours are just perfect. I'm so glad that I went with them colours. I just had a vibe for the look I was going for anyway, so I thought I'm going to go straight with that one. So for the other eye, I'm going to do something a little bit more natural, a little bit more nude, neutral. So for this eye, excuse me, for this eye, I'm going to go in with that same taupey brown colour here and just pop it right in the crease. I really do love how these shades just blend. Olivia's gone to bed, so I'm a little bit quiet because I'm filming late. Because I'm a busy mama. I just love how these shades blend, like they really are nice. Bless me. Whew. Excuse me. I feel like I'm way too white here, like I'm too bright. I hope this is okay. I need to get this lighting right, but I feel like we're okay. So I'm going to go in with a little bit more of a natural nude sort of look. So I think what I'm going to do is go back in with that brown, and I'm going to pop it on the outer corner again. And then I'm going to go in with, I'm going to go in with this colour here. This really nice white shimmery colour. And I'm going to pop that on the lid. Ooh, this is nice. Now this colour is very buttery. This shade here. They've got no names, so... Oh, I've gone over the brown. But it's okay. It's okay. We can sort it. We can sort it. I have to just deepen that corner up again. I lost it a little bit, but it's fine. It's fine. Wow, I'm so happy with both of these looks. But if I'm honest, let me just blend this in a bit because I messed it up. If I'm totally honest with you guys, I've always been a very natural person. Like, I love natural makeup and the nude makeup and stuff. But I am digging this purple brownie look. I really love that. I kind of wish I'd done a whole look on this, just one look now. So I could get some nice pictures for Instagram. But I love it. I think it's really nice. So here's a closer little look. Have I got a little brown mark there? Yeah. It's the one eye, and then that's the more natural eye. I think it's really nice. So overall, let me just put a little inner corner highlight. I'm going to use that same little shimmer here that we just used on the lid, just to add something. So overall, guys, this palette is just stunning. It's so cute, and I love the packaging. As you know, I've done a review on this palette before, first impressions. But yeah, I am really happy with both of these looks. I feel like this palette is very versatile. You can either do a really natural look, or you can go for something a little bit more bolder. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. So I'm going to show you some swatches real quick. So I'm going to swatch the purple that I just used, the taupe colour, and the white shimmer, more like gold shimmer to be honest, and the brown. So these are the taupe and purple, and then the brown, and then that gold shimmer there, if you can see it. So they're not majorly pigmented, but they really work well together. They blend nice, they're creamy. So I'm pretty happy with this palette. This is my second choice out of all of the cookie palettes. So number 1 is Birthday Cake, number 2 is this one. If you want to see number 3, comment down below and I will film my third choice out of the collection that I like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which look you prefer, if you prefer the purple and the brown or the more natural look. Let me know. Please subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.